The Look Creator is looklet styling software that can be operated from any location and is used to create complete outfits from the items you shot in the studio. After the items are shot in the studio and uploaded to the cloud, our quality control team processes them and sends the completed items to you in the Look Creator. The Look Creator interface is divided into 3 sections. On the left is the library where all the items you have shot in the studio live. The central section is the workspace, and the section on the right is the styling panel, where you choose models, backgrounds, and more. All information that you enter for items in the studio is carried through to the Look Creator. For faster searching and productivity, you can use the filters to quickly find your items, such as searching by SKU, designer, or batch. Here we will show you the process of styling a black tank top from start to finish. First, click on the item in the library. This brings you to the overview, which shows all the images and variants shot for the item, including all angles and complementary images such as ghost and fabric detail. Click on the image or tab to open the look. To complete the outfit, we'll choose items from the styling panel on the right. The same filtering functionality in the library is also available in this section. Then we'll choose a model by clicking on the Model tab. A default model is always applied to the item to begin with, but in this tab you see the full list of available models for this pose. By clicking on the face, you can see all the different images she has in this look. The gray area around the model workspace can be used for what we call bookmarks, which are essentially shortcuts for your favorites from the styling panel. Here's an example of where we choose our favorite models by dragging and dropping them into the workspace, grouping them together, and then naming this selection. Now we can browse available body variations. Body variations are movements that you can add to the arms and legs, dependent on the type of garment. The more the garment covers the body, the fewer will be available, but with our tank top here, we have plenty of flexibility. Now that we have completed the look, we can choose a background by clicking the Scenes tab. Here you will find all of our available backgrounds for you to choose from. Looklet can also custom create backgrounds of your choosing. You can zoom in on the look by clicking View in High Res to check details. Finally, we will create a look detail image. The look detail is an adjustable swatch from the high-res image of any angle for any part of the garment that you want to highlight. One other feature that we have in the overview page is a Send to QC service. This allows you to request additional aesthetic retouch for your garments, as well as send back any garments with defects or incomplete aesthetic retouch. You can also send a message to a colleague by clicking Add Comment. 2 further ways to incorporate Look Creator in your team workflow are under the Action dropdown on the left, where you can send a selected item or group of items to a colleague. Or by color tagging, where, for example, you could signify to a colleague that a group of green tagged items are ready for their review. Once you have completed your look and you're happy with the outcome, use the Overview Render to review all image angles and accompanying images before export. If the look is approved, then it is ready to export. Depending on integrations we have with you, you can either export locally to your desktop or to a destination of your choice. Here you can see your final look within the PDP page. Using Google Sheets, separate integration, or manual input, you can select the SKUs that an item should be matched with. Once the items have been shot and processed, you will see them at the top of the styling panel, and from there you can add them to the main item. Pre-styling is perfect for those that have pre-decided looks ahead of production and want to see which items should be outfitted together in the Look Creator. It's a great option to help save time and avoid any styling errors. Shoes on Body Variations allows you to use your own shoes for increased cross-selling potential and brand cohesion. Once you have completed your look and you're happy with the outcome, use the Overview Render to review all image angles and accompanying images before export. Here you can see your final look within the PDP page. Aside from outfitting manually as we have just done, the Look Creator also has a templates feature that allows you to style multiple looks at once using customized presets. Here's how it works. Go to the Template tab on the left-hand panel and click New Template. First, we choose our styling pairings for the items you wish to apply the template to. Then we would pick the models we think are best for this edit, simply clicking on faces we want to remove, body variations, and finally backgrounds. Now our template is ready and we can pick our items by going to the library, filtering on category with the items, multi-selecting, and then applying below. After the template is applied, you can still review and make changes to any of the looks if need be. Finally, one of the most powerful features of the Look Creator is the unique ability to restyle looks endlessly. For your evergreen items, simply recall, add a jacket, and re-export for fall, or recall and simply change the model to boost sell-through. All of this and more can be done in the Look Creator, the most innovative tool for dynamic merchandising using real models, available to you today.